friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, it's going to be a really fun one. Today we're going to talk about Boho Glam, all about the Boho Glam home decor style. Now, Boho Glam is of course a fusion of bohemian and the glam feminine type of home decor. Now, this fusion effortlessly combines the free-spirited essence of bohemian design with the luxurious touches of glam decor, resulting in a space that is eclectic, vibrant, but yet chic. At its core, Boho Glam embraces rich textures, bold patterns, and an eclectic mix of furnishings, creating a sense of really bohemian whimsy. Think layers of plush rugs, oversized floor cushions, and colorful tapestries that really infuse the space with warmth and personality. However, what sets Boho Glam apart is its infusion of glamorous elements like metallic accents in the form of maybe throw pillows or coffee table decor. You're going to have crystal chandeliers in some cases, and of course, velvet upholstery, sofas, accent chairs, even throw blankets. A lot of those will be velvet. These touches add a sense of opulence and sophistication to the bohemian foundation, elevating the overall aesthetic to create a space that is both relaxed and refined. So whether it's a vintage Moroccan rug anchoring the room or a statement-making gold mirror adorning the wall, Boho Glam decor celebrates individuality and self-expression. It really invites you to embrace your inner free spirit while still keeping your sense of luxury around you. So also, I want to tell you something that I have never really spoken about on this channel, and honestly, I was unaware of. So I know how I always encourage you to go to garage sales, estate sales, thrift stores, just something to buy certain items secondhand so you don't have to pay that huge markup that like everything is seeing right now. Well, I got an interesting email and I just wanted to share the main context of it. It's from a viewer, so hello, you know who you are. Thank you for emailing me. And she just basically said that sometimes it's good for people who believe this to state that if you purchase or bring an item into your home that is not from your home or from the store, sometimes it can transport negative energies with it. Now, if you believe that, that is fine. If you don't, that is fine. But she just asked me to share that there are videos on YouTube that can help rid items of carrying energies that you don't want into your home. Honestly, I haven't done enough research about it to have an opinion either way. It's just something that I had never thought about. So I just thought since she's a viewer and she had that opinion, maybe some of you have that opinion as well. So I just wanted to share that. Per her, she asked not to be named, just so you would know that. Enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to feature several different rooms, bedrooms, living rooms, even kitchens in some senses of Boho Glam. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section if this is a style that you enjoy. Also, don't forget to check the description box where I have curated some pieces from Amazon that will definitely put a Boho Glam feel into your home. Enjoy the video, friends. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Let me know down below in the comment section, which style do you really resonate with the most? Now, if you want to see more videos, check out one of these featured here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.